10 signs your body is nutrient deficient. Presented by Mind Matters. Have you been feeling sluggish, achy, or moody lately? Do you barely recognize the face staring back at you in the mirror? These could be indications that your body is lacking vital nutrients. The human body is complex, constantly striving to maintain balance, and just like any machine, it requires the right fuel to function properly. When you don't supply your body with the necessary nutrients, your health can suffer. Inadequate absorption or an increased requirement not being met can also contribute to deficiencies. Here are some common signs that you may be lacking important nutrients. Number 1. Fatigue and weakness. If you feel consistently exhausted, even after getting sufficient sleep, it may indicate a deficiency in essential vitamins and minerals like iron, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall vitality. Number 2. Poor digestion. Digestive issues, including bloating, gas, and constipation, can be related to nutrient deficiencies such as a lack of vitamin B6 and magnesium. Ensuring adequate intake of these nutrients can support proper digestion. Number 3. Frequent infections. A healthy immune system relies on proper nutrient intake. If you frequently experience infections, it could be a sign that your body needs more zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D. These nutrients play a vital role in fighting off bacteria and viruses. Number 4. Dry skin. Insufficient amounts of vitamin A, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids may lead to dry and unhealthy skin, especially during the winter months. These nutrients are essential for maintaining skin hydration, moisture, and reducing wrinkles. Number 5. Aching bones. While some bone-related issues are associated with aging, persistent bone pain could be linked to low levels of vitamin A and D. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining optimal bone health. Number 6. Brittle hair and nails. Brittle hair and easily breakable nails can be signs of nutrient deficiencies, such as biotin, iron, and zinc. These nutrients are necessary for healthy hair and nail growth and strength. Number 7. Brain fog. Difficulty concentrating, lack of focus, and feeling mentally foggy may indicate a deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. These nutrients support proper brain function, memory, and cognitive abilities. Number 8. Muscle cramps. If you experience frequent muscle cramps, it may be a result of dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, or a lack of calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Ensuring adequate intake of these minerals can help alleviate muscle cramps. Number 9. Slow wound healing. If your body takes longer to heal from injuries, it could be due to insufficient levels of vitamin C, iron, and zinc. These nutrients play a vital role in the body's natural healing process. Number 10. Low mood. Prolonged feelings of low mood may be linked to inadequate levels of certain nutrients, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients significantly impact mental well-being. Addressing nutrient deficiencies can be straightforward. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, and lean protein sources can provide the necessary nutrients for your body to function optimally. If needed, supplements can also be considered. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider are important for identifying and addressing deficiencies, ensuring your body has the tools it needs for optimal health. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video with your friends so that we can continue creating content like this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and turn on the notification bell. Also, check out our other informative videos. Thank you for watching.